Happy Thursday, everyone, and thanks for checking into WeatherBug. I'm meteorologist Todd Nelson with a look at your national coast-to-coast forecast. Hope you're doing all right and enjoying this early part of November. Of course, a western storm system responsible for some much-needed moisture and high-elevation snow there over the last few days. That is going to continue to move east, and we're talking about a late-week severe threat in the central U.S. today and potentially tomorrow, and then post-front heading into the weekend in the central and eastern U.S. It is going to be much colder. But along the leading edge of this colder push of air from Minneapolis all the way down to Dallas and San Antonio, we have a chance for some isolated strong storms. Better chance in the slight risk area in central and northern Texas, south central Oklahoma, and then tomorrow that front shifts east, maybe diminishing in its intensity, but still some thunderstorm potential there from the eastern Great Lakes into the lower Mississippi Valley, and then Saturday that front kind of shifts into the mid-Atlantic and the Gulf Coast states, so ongoing thunderstorms and heavy rain potential there. The surface low moving out of the central Rockies, lifting northeast into the upper Mississippi Valley and the Great Lakes, and then trailing cold front, as you notice, taking out some widespread showers and storms today. Again, maybe a couple of strong ones. Better chance down into the southern plains, and then some redeveloping thunderstorms again tomorrow. Could actually be dealing with a little bit of a wintry mix on the northern flank of that, and that's where precipitation values will be a little bit lighter than what we expect down to the south. You can see 2 to 4 plus could lead to some additional flood concerns in those particular areas. It's been very wet over the last several weeks there, but still nice to see that moisture continuing here in the west and northwestern U.S. with snowfall potential in the Sierra Nevada range, northern Cascades, and the central and northern Rockies yet over that next, say, 5-day period. But as you notice in the eastern U.S., snowfall potential is pretty minimal. 6 to 10-day temperature outlook showing warmer than average conditions in the eastern U.S. That's what we're dealing with now, of course, with readings about 10 to almost 20 degrees above average. Chillier in the western U.S. with readings in Denver at 43, Billings at 45. But look at our friends in D.C. today at 75, 73 in St. Louis, and 70 still in Chicago.